Okay, so we've got the timing belt off. Your markings are the dash on the cog there, lines up with the rocker cover there. It's your timing belt marking. And I've just made a mark at the bottom that was previously there. One lines up with the little mark there and the other one there, so the two there, corresponding marks there. But better still and more accurate is when the pulley's on. You can see that it lines up right there. So the back plate, the little notch, which corresponds with the notch on the pulley there. Like that. So you can check it once you've got it all in position more accurately with this, just to double check it. Otherwise temporarily we'll line it up on these ones here. But if you don't move the camshaft or the crankshaft, it shouldn't be a problem. It's very awkward in here because I found it very hard to get that bracket out of the way. So I've managed to work around the bracket while it's still in place. Although I loosened it all off so I can move it around, but it's quite a hindrance. Anyway, I'm going to take the tensioner off now and then the water pump. And then I've got to figure out where the thermostat is. I think it's under here somewhere, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll start by taking the tensioner off and the water pump. Be putting the new one on. There's some debate about plastic impellers or metal impellers. I chose to go with the metal one initially. Got a new thermostat, new tensioner and pulley. Here's the old belt. Fairly worn, but you know, still did the job for a while. Compared to the new one. Just make sure they're the same size, which indeed they seem to be. That's good. So I'll let you know how I get on in a bit.